Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Joker costume is probably one of the most iconic and sought-after outfits for cosplay and Halloween, capturing the unsettling yet captivating essence of Arthur Fleck's transformation. Finding the perfect rendition means stepping into the shoes of a character whose descent into madness resonated deeply with audiences, making it crucial to choose a costume that truly embodies his distinct, melancholic, and ultimately terrifying aesthetic. Number 5. ALLAURA Joker Oompa-Loompa Green Wig. Transform your look with this vibrant green wig. It's perfect for bringing your favorite characters to life. Embrace the chaos of Gotham's most infamous villain. This wig is an essential piece for any Arthur Fleck transformation. Step into the fantastical world of Willy Wonka. It's also ideal for creating that distinctive Oompa-Loompa look. No matter your head size, this wig offers a comfortable fit. It's suitable for both men and women. Crafted for durability and style, this green hair accessory is a versatile addition to your costume collection. You'll find endless possibilities for creative expression. What we like. This wig offers dual character versatility, perfect for both Joker and Oompa-Loompa looks. If you're looking for a wig that can pull double duty for different costume events, this is an excellent choice. Its universal fit ensures comfort for a wide range of head sizes. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted regarding the Arthur Fleck Joker costume. Number 4. Sunboom Halloween Witches Hats. Step into the spooky season with our stylish new accessory. These hats are designed for women who love to celebrate Halloween with flair. Crafted from soft, modern wool knit, they offer both comfort and a contemporary look. You'll love how cozy and chic they feel. Specifically designed for adults, these hats provide a comfortable and secure fit. They are the ideal addition to any Halloween ensemble. Whether you're attending a party or trick-or-treating, they are the perfect costume accessory. Elevate your Halloween look effortlessly with them. Combine classic witchy charm with modern elegance. They are sure to make you stand out and complete your festive attire. What we like. This unique accessory provides a modern twist on a classic Halloween staple. Its wool knit design offers comfort and a stylish look beyond traditional witch hats. If you're aiming for a sophisticated yet spooky ensemble that stands out, this hat is a perfect complement. What people say. No reviews available to extract points from the provided empty source. Please provide product reviews to select points. Number 3. Mysense Clown Makeup Kit. Transform into any character with this versatile makeup kit. It provides everything you need for a complete and vibrant look. Discover the bold red, white, and blue face and body paint sticks. They offer smooth application for striking designs. Achieve professional-looking results with the creamy face paint. It blends effortlessly for a flawless finish. Add a pop of color to your hair with the temporary green hair chalk. It's easy to apply and washes out readily. Whether it's for Halloween costumes or cosplay events, this kit is your go-to. It helps you create memorable looks for any occasion. Get ready for parties or enjoy DIY projects with this comprehensive set. It makes creative expression simple and fun for everyone. This all-in-one kit empowers you to bring your imaginative ideas to life. Get yours today and start creating amazing transformations. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything needed for a full character transformation. It includes vibrant face and body paints, plus temporary green hair color chalk for a complete look. If you want an all-in-one solution for your Joker or clown makeup, this kit offers convenience and striking results. What people say. Number 2. Joker Green Anime Wavy Wig. Transform your look instantly with this iconic green wig. It's designed to capture the essence of a classic character, perfect for making a bold statement. Its vibrant green color and short, wavy style are instantly recognizable. This ensures you stand out in any crowd, embodying a truly unique persona. Crafted from high-quality synthetic fibers, it feels comfortable and looks natural. You can wear it for hours without discomfort, allowing you to fully enjoy your event. Whether it's Halloween, a cosplay event, or a themed party, this wig is your ideal accessory. It completes your costume with authentic flair, making you the center of attention. Putting it on is simple and quick, allowing for an easy costume change. It provides a secure fit, so you can move freely and confidently throughout your event. What we like. This wig features a distinct anime-inspired short wavy style, perfect for a specific Joker interpretation. Its vibrant green color and synthetic hair are designed for easy styling and durability. If you're aiming for a more stylized or animated Joker appearance, this wig will perfectly complete your vision. What people say. No reviews available from the source to extract points from. The provided source JSON was empty, so no points could be quoted as per the instructions. Number 1. Mysense 3-piece suit set. Elevate your style with this sophisticated 3-piece suit set. It includes a jacket, vest, and pants, perfectly coordinated for a polished look. Designed with a contemporary one-button closure, this suit offers a sleek, slim-fit silhouette. It ensures you look sharp and feel comfortable throughout the day. No need to search for accessories, this set comes complete with a stylish tie. It perfectly complements the suit, adding a touch of elegance to your ensemble. Whether it's a prom, a party, or a wedding, this suit is your ideal choice. It ensures you make a lasting impression at any celebratory gathering. Beyond special events, it's also suitable for business settings. This versatile suit helps you project confidence and professionalism in the workplace. Experience the perfect blend of style and comfort with this meticulously crafted suit. It's designed to make you look and feel your best, no matter the occasion. What we like. This elegant 3-piece suit provides a sharp, tailored foundation for many formal occasions. Its slim-fit design ensures a modern and sophisticated silhouette. If you're looking for a versatile suit that can be adapted for a Joker costume or worn for other events like proms or weddings, this offers exceptional value and style. What people say. No suitable reviews found in the provided source. The source JSON was empty, so no points could be extracted. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.